The Stewart Observatory Mirror Lab is used to building world-class optical instruments to collect light from distant stars. But rarely do they build one for gathering light from our closest star to be used as an energy source.
The thing that nobody has mastered, and it's still the case for solar, is the first step, which is you have to convert the sunlight into electricity. One thing I think is quite likely to come out is that you can either do that locally, so Chicago is going to put in 10 megawatts or something, or 5 megawatts right by the city. But they admit that, it's pretty cloudy, so you don't get that much yield from it. So the alternative is to put your conversion in the Southwest desert, where there's much more sun, and then transmit that. Most utility solar power is made by taking sort of cylindrically shaped mirrors that focus the light on a pipe with oil in it that gets hot, and then you pump the oil off and use that heat to make steam, and then you go through steam turbines similar to what you do in a normal electric power plant. It's not particularly efficient. It costs about $5 a watt to install those facilities, and I think there's an agreement that the break point is $1 a watt. If you can install facilities that will make electricity out of solar for $1 a watt, then basically market forces will take over and renewable will replace fossil fuel. Boom.
To achieve that, Dr. Angel is combining light-focusing technologies and photovoltaic cells, and taking advantage of the relative strengths of each technology.
What the big advantage of that is if you focus it strongly, the area of photovoltaic cell to make a certain amount of energy can be reduced by 1,000 times. Then the cost of the photovoltaic cell to make the conversion becomes 16 cents a watt. But you got to focus the light on the cell. So at the university here, we have world-class, world-beating expertise, right, in how to make optics, focusing systems, and not just ivory tower PowerPoint stuff, right? We actually do it right here on campus. So I could see that there was at least a hope that what we could bring to this problem at the university would actually be very cutting edge, right, and address this problem. Can we focus the light?